Right, 200 autopilot's coming off. Goddamn's off. There's a military aircraft right here.
Yeah, Russian.
AN2s, a bunch of Russian stuff, yep. Always windy. Three in the green.
Nice.
Holy cow.
9310 Bravo. Continue the second intersection left via Delta and contact Santino ground 121.9.
Okay, ground, decimal 9er, 931, so Bravo would make a left here on the Delta.
Affirmative via Delta.
Delta, roger. Sorry about that, buddy.
No, it's good, it's good.
Not used to having someone over there.
No, I honestly wasn't sure what he was saying, to be honest. So. I heard the 1 to 1.9er, but I didn't hear it. I didn't know what anything else.
Final 135.
Señor 135 recibido, viento 08 asegurados, 1 nudo, pista 10 autorizado para aterrizar.
Autorizado a aterrizar con señor 135.
That represents their entire general aviation fleet right there.
Yeah, a little bit.
Actually, this is crazy. I've never seen this many planes here.
They have a Gulfstream here.
Yeah.
Look, they have a 7.6 parked up.
Yeah, yeah. Is that the UPS bird?
I don't think so. It's white.
Oh, wait.
And it has winglet. Yeah, I don't know.
931's here, Bravo's with you.
That's King Air 9310 Bravo, ground, continue taxiing Alpha to spot number 1 international, report the marshal inside.
Okay, spot number 1, and we'll taxi with you, 931's here, Bravo.